Let's see one more method of the string class actually. So the method we are going to see now is copy of range. Copy of range. So what exactly the method will do actually? See, if you want to copy array values from the given range, like so know from beginning index to end index, so then you have to use copy of range. See, in last time, what we have done is we want to copy the value of an array. Okay, so we have given the number. Okay, so if you have a requirement that I want to copy the values from the so and so index to so and so index, the starting index, for example, you have given the starting index as 2. Okay, and end index you have given as the, let's say, 4 or 5. Okay, so you have a flexibility, like to read the values using the copy of range. So copy of value, what it will do is, so if you have given the length of the array as 4, first 4 values it will read. But if you want to, intentionally, if you want to start your, if you want to start reading the values from, given index number to end index number, then you have to use the copy of range. So by name itself, it is saying that if you want to copy the value from uh, one range to the other range, you have to use this copy of range method. Okay. So this copy of range method is, again, it is taking the string array and is taking the string array. Sorry, it's not string array. It will take an array. Actually, it is taking an array and it will be taking the begin index, and it will also take the end index as well. So you should mention from what index you have to, read the values, okay, or copy the values, till where index you have to stop the values, till what index you have to stop the values. So let's see an example on this as well. Let's take the same example which we have like seen over here. Okay, so I'll take the same example. Let's copy and let's paste over here. So here we have a numbers array, and the numbers array having 6 values. The value starts from then 6 values, in the 6 value in the sense the index will start from 0, right? So it will be storing 5 indexes, 2, 3, 4, 5 indexes. Now I want to start reading my values. I want to start reading my values from second index to till fifth index or till fourth index, let's say. So you should use a copy of range method. You should use a copy of range method, and you should mention the start index and end index. What is the start index over here? 2 is the start index. And what is the end index over here? 4 is the end index. So you should give the array name, start index, and end index. Now, this copy of range is a static method. Is a static method. So static method will call with respect to class name. So arrays is the class name. Arrays dot what? Copy of range. Copy of range. And here you will be giving the original array. Okay, here you will be giving the original array numbers. And the first, the second parameter is begin index. So from where I want to start reading the values? From the second index to fourth index. Okay, 2 comma 4, right? So a new array will be created. A new array will be created. A new array will be created. The new array will be having the values 30, 40, and 50. So these are the values it will be having. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Now, let's write a program on this one. Well, let's create a class to write a program on this one. So let's create a class. So I'll say copy of range. client app, public static void main finish, control D. Yeah. So I have this array and I want to read the I want to read or I want to create an array uh, from 30 to I want to create a new array using this 30, 40, 50 values. Okay. So let's say arrays dot copy range of. So I'll take copy range of, why it is not showing? Yeah, copy of range, not copy range of, copy of range. Okay, copy of range. So here it will, the first parameter would be, it will be taking the original array. So original array we are writing over here. Okay, copy of range. Okay, so yeah, why it is going here? Here we will be giving the second index, we have to start and we have to stop at fourth index, and that's fine. And this will return a new array. I'll write int array, new array. Fine. Okay, that's cool. So now what I'll do is I'll use the for loop and print the things. Okay, for loop. I'll say less than or equals to length, and I'll say sys out of new array of I. Okay, let's see what would be the output. Okay, it is throwing an, okay, okay, fine. I have given less than or equals to, less than itself, fine. Okay, it is reading 30 and 40. Second and third. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 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 fine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to here it is reading 4 values. So starting is from second, it is starting. Okay, so it is not considering the indexes actually. So you have to give the, like, here we have how many values we have? 6 values, right? So you have to directly give the uh, uh no, you have to count it like this is a, instead of counting 0, you have to count it from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now let me give this numbers, and I want to start the number from 20. Okay, so it is leave the 20 and it will display 30 and 40. Okay, fine. So let's go to the next method.